Struggling with sticky dough and weak mixers that just can't handle real bread? What if I told you the perfect dough stand mixer could completely transform your baking game? Today, I'm sharing the top 7 best stand mixer dough champions that save time, effort, and money. Welcome to the channel. Check the links below and grab your favorite. At number 7 is Kraftsman Lower Noise Stand Mixer. Did you know most stand mixers lose power the moment dough gets tough? That's where the Kraftsman Lower Noise Stand Mixer instantly surprised me. While many budget machines struggle with dense sourdough, this one's direct current pure copper motor keeps the kneading smooth and consistent, no sudden slowdowns, no jerks. And if you're hunting for a serious dough performer in our top 7 lineup, this model earns attention fast. The 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl handles up to 4 loaves in one go, and the flexible double-edge paddle actually scrapes the bowl clean. Small detail, big difference. Noise? Around 60 decibels, which means early morning baking without waking the house. Compared to lighter plastic body competitors, its die-cast aluminum build feels stable and secure. Downsides? Attachments for the power hub cost extra. Still, for home bakers wanting peace of mind and reliable dough texture, this is a confident, smart investment. On number 6 is Howork Wire Whip Stand Mixer. What if I told you a 300-watt mixer could actually handle serious dough without shaking across your counter? That's exactly what surprised me about the Howork Wire Whip Stand Mixer. In a world where many affordable machines stall on thick bread dough, this one delivers steady planetary mixing with 10 speeds plus pulse, giving you control from gentle folding to confident kneading. The 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl feels generous for family batches, and the anti-splash lid keeps chaos away, something new bakers truly appreciate. Now, compared to heavier die-cast models in our top 7 lineup, the ABS body is lighter, yes, but those 4 suction cups keep it planted. That means less stress, more peace of mind. Is it perfect for dense sourdough every day? Maybe not. But for home bakers wanting reliability, versatility, and support that actually responds, this is a smart, reassuring choice. At number 5 is Cebory Dough Hook Stand Mixer. Here's a bold question: can a compact dough mixer really compete with the heavy hitters in a serious home bakery? The Cebory Dough Hook Stand Mixer makes a strong case. Powered by a direct current motor, it delivers steady torque that does not panic when bread dough thickens, and that consistency is exactly what people search for in a reliable dough stand mixer. 10 speeds plus pulse give you flexibility, from gentle cake batter to firm pizza dough, and the stainless steel bowl and attachments add a reassuring sense of safety and durability. Compared to lighter entry models, this one feels more controlled during kneading, though it may not be as ultra-quiet as premium low-noise units in our lineup. Cleanup is simple with the tilt head design, which solves a common frustration for beginners. For growing home bakers who want strength without overspending, this feels like a confident, smart upgrade. At number 4 is Cooklee Flat Beater Stand Mixer. What if your biggest baking limitation is not your recipe, but your mixer's capacity? The Cooklee Flat Beater Stand Mixer instantly stands out with its massive 8.5-quart stainless steel bowl, and that changes everything for serious dough batches. If you have ever struggled with overflow while kneading bread dough, this solves it in one move. The planetary mixing action feels strong and consistent, whether you are whipping meringue or working through dense pizza dough, which makes it a serious contender in our dough-focused lineup. I also appreciate the included dough hook, flat beater, wire whip, and pouring shield, practical tools, no upsell pressure. Compared to smaller 5-quart models, this one is bulkier and needs counter space, but the stability and volume bring real peace of mind. For large families or home bakers scaling up, this feels like a confident, future-proof investment. On number 3 is Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Can one affordable mixer really replace 2 appliances in your kitchen? The Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer proves it can. This clever 2-in-1 design works as both a stand mixer for thick bread dough and a detachable hand mixer for quick tasks, which instantly solves the space problem many home bakers face. With a 290-watt peak power motor and 4-quart stainless steel bowl, it handles everyday cookie and light dough jobs confidently, though it is not built for heavy sourdough like larger 8-quart machines in our lineup. The shift and stir bowl movement improves coverage, reducing unmixed pockets, which beginners truly appreciate. 6 speeds plus quick burst give flexibility without confusion. Downsides? Smaller capacity and less torque for dense batches. But for casual bakers wanting versatility, reliability, and peace of mind without overspending, this is a smart, practical choice. At number 2 is Stainless Steel Stand Mixer. Ever wondered if a compact mixer under 5 pounds could actually handle real dough? The Stainless Steel Stand Mixer challenges that assumption immediately. With a 250-watt motor and 6 speeds, it confidently whips, beats, and even kneads light bread dough with surprisingly even results. Now, let's be clear, compared to larger 5 or 8 quart heavy-duty machines in our dough-focused lineup, this 3-quart bowl is built for small batches. But that is exactly its strength. If you live in a small apartment or have limited counter space, this solves the bulky mixer problem instantly. The fully tilting head makes cleanup simple, and the retro design adds personality without sacrificing function. It is not for daily dense sourdough baking, but for beginners and casual bakers seeking reliability and peace of mind, this feels like a smart, space-saving investment. Now moving to the last one is Lomotive Dough Maker Stand Mixer. What if the reason your bread fails is not the recipe, but the motor behind it? The Lomotive Dough Maker Stand Mixer brings serious muscle with a 660-watt pure copper motor, and you feel that strength the moment dense dough starts resisting. 6 speeds plus pulse give you control, while the 6-quart stainless steel bowl with double handles makes large family batches stress-free. In our dough-focused lineup, this one clearly competes with higher-powered models, especially for pizza and sourdough lovers who need torque without wobble. The 5 silicone suction cups keep it stable, though at around 76 decibels, it is not the quietest option. Safety certifications and overload protection add peace of mind, which new buyers truly value. If you bake frequently and want power at a reasonable price, this feels like a confident, future-ready investment. After comparing them all, the clear winner is the Lomotive Dough Maker Stand Mixer. Why? Because power matters most when working with real bread dough. Its 660-watt pure copper motor delivers consistent torque for dense sourdough and pizza without stalling. The 6-quart bowl handles family batches easily, and the anti-slip base adds stability and peace of mind. If you want strength, capacity, and long-term reliability at a smart price, this is the confident choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best stand mixer dough. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.